Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick guess what's in the box video. It is a large bag from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so this is just going to be another guess what's in the box video, aka it's a bag. This is from Amazon. This bag is 12 1/4 inches wide by 17 inches long. And it's about 4.5 inches tall. What do you guys think is in the bag? It's just a quick video. I did already open it. Just to make sure. It was dropped off at my neighbor's for some reason, even though her number is different than mine. Not sure why, but I do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. What do you think's in the bag? Leave the comments down below. Also, I do want to say thank you to all the viewers and subscribers. I did pick up some tools for the channel that YouTube, the channel, paid for. I didn't have to fork out a penny for the tools that are showing up. Got some Milwaukee switch tanks on the way to view on the channel, as well as we're going to use them and test them. See how well they work. I actually got two of them for 400 bucks with $7.99 in tax, which is not bad at all. Especially since Home Depot's deal is $4.98 for two. So I do appreciate you guys so much. I want to say thank you to you guys for making the channel what I wanted it to be originally, that the channel was paying for the tools and not me out of pocket. Every tool that you see on this channel I have bought out of pocket. Not once am I sponsored for tools or anything else. So thank you guys so much for that. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace!